And then then you can say what you want to do. So like I have stay or go versus age group, because at the very bottom on this week's thing, they had those options. So if I look at that and say, I want to look at the statistics, I could ask for the chi-square. I asked for correlations and the phi and uncertainty as sort of over the top. They weren't necessary, but since the computer does all the calculating for free, it doesn't charge me extra. I figured I'd go for it in case it gave me some insight that I didn't see before. So I hit continue. I go to cells to double check that I got the observed in this material. I asked it to create APA style tables, which then forces these to be according to version 28 of SPSS, as close to APA as it gets. They're a little bit off because the AP is a little bit more uptight than IBM is, but it's close enough for jazz, as they'd say. Hit the continue, hit OK, do the plug and pray and see if I get what I wanted. So this one right here should be the report that we're looking at. It gives you your counts that we have 3 that are missing to account for the odd ones. Did that go up too fast? Okay, so we have that. Stay or go, we end up with, okay, it's going too fast. On the over and under 50, we have the 55-45 split. And then here, the significance value being 0.001, we have, not only is it significant, it's absolutely significant, as opposed to maybe. Additional information on the symmetry, but you notice we keep getting the same numbers here, so it didn't matter which particular math formula of analyzing you went with, they all got to the same place. All roads lead to Rome, and I ran out of chart. Now, do you want me to repeat how I got to there again?
Sure.
Okay, analyze was step 1. Descriptive was step 2. Oops, if I get over there. Crosstabs was step 3 to get to the correct submenus. And then once I'm here, I can pick and choose what I like as my there, because I actually did 2 things. So if I wanted to do, let's say, stay or go on columns versus tenured or non-tenured, I could then get this. Now, I would think that the tenured people would want to stay, but double check that I have there on the same before and hit OK. And once again, we have 4 missing, and you can see very quickly, adjunct, we have 95 in the split out. If I pull this down, we get a 0, 0, 8, and 5 was the standard. So it just missed the statistical there. Now, if I was doing a more extensive numbers, I might want to double check or look a different direction because I'm close enough to statistical. Maybe I just didn't ask the question right. No, I'm running out of stuff to vamp here, man.